Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about Boost Mobile and the advertisement about getting the free iPhones 16. So we're going to go through it and we'll read the requirements, the plans that they have, and see if it's even worth it, right? So if you're going to, once again, this video is not sponsored by Boost Mobile. I just thought I was just curious the fact that they have like free iPhone 16. So I just want to make it available to any of you guys out there. I'm happy with the T-Mobile. I'm paying about $22 a month for my wife and I. So we have the old plan. So it's awesome. I'm not gonna go anywhere. But for this video, we're gonna be checking out Boost Mobile. Okay. So as you can see right here, it says infinite access for iPhones, $1,000 off all iPhone 16 models, no trade-in required. And then right below that, you see new iPhone on us today, 0 down, taxes extra. So basically, you pay for the taxes. Latest iPhone every year. So in other words, you get every 12 months, you get a new phone. You send in the old one, you get a new one. Or you get the new one, and then you send in the old one. So make sure your old one that you have are in good conditions. Unlimited talk, text, and data, starting only at $65. So right here, it gives you a breakdown. Select your phone. So the iPhone 16 Pro on us, as you can see right there, is nothing down. But you give the Pro Max, you pay $5.55. And if you want to pay the full price, then it's just $11.99. And then if you buy the phone from with Boost Mobiles, right now the promotion is to give you guys 1 year free of service. So which is awesome, you know what I mean? And we go down. Okay, and we're gonna read how it works. All right, so the good, the bad, and the ugly. So step 1, purchase infinite access for iPhone. So just pick your iPhone, pay sales tax on the phone, then check out. No trade-in necessary to get started. That's step 1. Seems easy enough, right? Step 2, activate your new phone. Get up and running on your own with just a few quick taps, or to get help from a real person by calling 866-957-8278. Step 3, enjoy unlimited wireless. Get unlimited talk, text, and data with the reliable nationwide coverage anywhere you go. Step 4, get the latest iPhone every year. When you request your free annual upgrade, we'll ship your new phone to your door and send your old one back. So this program, you don't have to do it every year. If you like the phone that you currently have, you can just keep it, right? But if you want a new iPhone every year, you can do so. So these are some of the FAQs that they have, right? So we can go through it. So what is infinite access for iPhone? So starting at $65 a month, infinite access for iPhones allows you to get the latest iPhone with built-in unlimited wireless delivered right to your door. 12 months later, we'll do it again with a convenient box to return your old device. It's the easiest way to get the newest and latest iPhone every year. Along with the latest iPhone every year, infinite access for iPhone gives you unlimited wireless on the new cloud-based 5G Boost mobile network with 99% nationwide coverage. We built thousands of towers across the country, so you experience increased speed and bandwidth along with the reduced latency. Stay connected wherever, whenever. Additional benefits to the include latest iPhone every year. iPhone 15 included today's unlimited talks, text, and data. Global talks and text in North America Connect. And you get 30 gigabyte of premium data. Okay, so let's check out a little right below that. This offer is available for credit qualified, new and existing members. No trade-ins online requirements to get started. So it really depends on your credit. So hopefully we have good credit. So what is the price for the infinite access? When signing up for infinite access for iPhones, you will pay taxes on the full list price of your phone, plus $65 for your first month of service, which will be credited back to you on your first month wireless service bill. iPhone 15 models over $999.99 will result in additional monthly charges. Okay, so are there any hidden fees? Other than taxes and applicable local surcharges, what you see is what you get. Unlike most carriers, Boost Mobile provides transparent pricing so you know exactly what you will be billed. How do I get the latest iPhones every year? So, after 12 consecutive monthly payments, you have the option to trade in your phone for the latest iPhone. When ready, request the new iPhone via Boost Mobile app, and we'll send you the latest model to your door with the box and shipping label for your trade-in. Once your trade-in is received, it will be evaluated for any damage. So make sure the phone is in good condition, pretty much. Note, you are not required to upgrade after 12 months. If you love your phone, you can stick with it. Your phone will be fully paid off after 36 consecutive monthly payments. So I don't know if you guys remember, but back in the days, they used to have this. They like a contract for all the carriers, and not until T-Mobile comes in and break all the contracts and that. Now they stop. But back in the days, we used to get free phones. We really good, it's awesome deal. But now, whatever you want, you gotta pay for it. Either pay it off outright, or you can do a monthly payment. But things change. But before then, back then, they didn't have any unlimited stuff like that. If you want unlimited, you pay like a lot of money. But now, like pretty much unlimited, like you can get it with any service provider, right? So, but things change. Am I eligible for infinite access for iPhone? So, for new and both existing members, we'll run a soft credit check at the time of the checkout. Don't worry, this has no impact on your credit score. New members can purchase online as an existing member. You see the option to upgrade in the Boost Mobile app under your account. Which iPhones can I get with infinite access? Each year you have access to the latest iPhone model. You also have the flexibility to upgrade to larger storage capacity and the ability to get available models for an additional monthly charge. What add-ons can I get with the Infinite Access? So in addition to North America Connect and Global Talk and Text, included in Infinite Access, you can customize your service by adding global roaming, Boost Protect, and Boost Family Guard data hotspot or high-speed data. So these are the services that you're going to pay additionally. So for example, like global roaming, you pay $20 a month. So if you travel outside of the country, maybe it's worth it, $20. And going down, if you want to use the hotspot. So apparently here with your phone, you have 30 gigabyte of premium data. But if you want to use all of those, and you want to turn your phone into a hotspot, you can pay $10 a month. Right, and then they also have like when you're out of the 30 gigabyte, you can pay another $10 to get 10 gigabyte, right? And you can do this add-ons through the mobile's app, or you can call the customer care. How many lines can I have on my account? So, I think with T-Mobile, I can add up to 12 lines, I believe. However, with Boost Mobiles, you can have up to 5 lines per account. So if you have a family with more than 5 people, you're out of luck. How do I protect my new iPhone? So sign up with Boost Mobile Protect with Apple Care Services, and rest assured, knowing your phone is protected. It covers you in the event of phone loss, theft, accidental damage, and out of warranty mechanical or electrical breakdown. And you can call them at the number to add it, or you can do to add the Apple Care. What if the phone I want to upgrade is damaged? To be eligible for the latest iPhone's model, you're responsible for making sure the iPhone you ship to us is in good working order. If there's damage to your iPhone, you have to pay the full retail price. We strongly recommend getting Boost Protected with Apple Care Service at checkout, as it covers you in the event of the phone loss, theft, accidental damage, and out of warranty mechanical or electrical breakdown. So basically, if you're gonna do like the iPhone every year, I suggest get the protected, get the Apple Care. That way, because if you drop the phone accidentally, I mean, it's damaged. Now it's protected. If not, you're gonna have to end up paying like the full price for your new phone. That if you want. Is this plan available for older devices? I know this plan is only available for the latest model of a device. Nice. So, and then they also have like the 30 days money back guarantee, and you can find more all of this. Boost Mobile is owned by Dish Network, Dish Wireless. So, all right. So let's go to actually try to shop for the iPhone. So we want to try it out the latest and the greatest. So this is the oh, this is not even the Pro Max. Is there let's see if they have the Pro Max here. All right, let's do the Pro Max, right? Because that's the one that all of us want, right? And here you can see you can pre-order now, and then delivery start on September 20th. But I think the time frame will vary depending on how many people ordering, right, and where you're in line. But as you can see, they're starting with the Pro Max. Good thing it started with 256 gigabyte, and starting at $5.55 a month, and then 512 you can start with 1111, and 1 terabyte is 1666. And they have some nice color. This, if I'm gonna upgrade it, if I want to buy an iPhone, this is the color that I want, the desert titanium, right? It's really, really nice. But they do have one. This is just a natural titanium. This is the color that I have on my current iPhone 15 Pro Max. And then they have the white titanium, and then they have the black titanium. Right, so let's say that if, like I said, you're probably gonna, it's better off if you're gonna want to do the iPhone Forever plan. You want to stick with it, and if so that way you drop it, you protect it, and you can keep the number, new number, and then the special deals here. So it's special deal. You pay $5.55 a month, and also to get the access to the iPhone plan that they requires you is $65 additional. So that's how much you'll be paying, about $70. But given with the taxes and the local surcharge, it can add up to about close to another $10 depending on where you're at. Or you have the other option is just to finance it straight up. So 36-month financing, $33.33 a month. Or if you don't like any of these stuff, you just want to pay it off, no monthly payment, you can pay $11.99, right? And you get one free of service, which is awesome. So yeah, so it is up to you. You pick out whichever options is best for you. So again, I don't know. Maybe you want to 1 terabyte, but that's how much it is. And I've never used Boost Mobile, so I don't know their service reliability. But as far as I know, I'm with before I was with Sprint, and the service was terrible. But T-Mobile now it's getting way better. And before that, I was with Verizon too, and I was happy with Verizon. But Verizon was just charging me just one line, like $100 back in the days, unlimited access. So, but here it's not bad of a deal, yeah. So if you guys have any questions regarding about this iPhone thing, feel free to leave it a comment below. If somehow you like the video, feel free to give a like and make sure you subscribe to the channel. But other than that, thank you for watching. Be safe. Take care. Till next time.